Hey there, so if you have the Epson 7720 and you're looking for a way how to recognize the ink cartridge, this is something I found on Reddit. Maybe it's going to help you. So unplug the printer for a day, plug it back in and wait for reset to finish. I had this problem. New black cartridge wasn't recognized. Empty old black cartridge wasn't recognized. Turning on and off and cleaning terminal did nothing. Unplugged for a day, plugged back in, lots of checking, resetting and reconfiguration, apparently symbols. When it finished, new cartridge was recognized. So this is something that you want to do. Maybe it's going to help to fix the issue for you. I hope it does. What are like the things that you can do? And that's pretty much it. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.